going to be showing you guys how you could be making up to $940 every single week just by using affiliate marketing. I know you guys are going to absolutely love this, so I'm not going to make this any longer for you. So if you guys want to know how to do it, then make sure you click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money-making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. As a complete beginner, you can do this, and you don't even have to invest anything. You don't need any skills, any experience. All you need is your device, your internet connection, and instructions that I am about to be sharing with you guys. And I'm going to be showing you all of the steps, so make sure that you pay very close attention so that you could be getting and really absorbing every single money-making tip. So the first thing that I want to do is show you the traffic source that we're going to be using, which gets over 5 million visits every single month, and you're going to be making use of all of that free traffic since the affiliate offer that we'll be promoting gives you recurring monthly payments. You can actually make, passive income with this. So as soon as you set it up, the autopilot system, and you're going to start getting traffic, you can just sit back, relax, and watch the money just flow inside. Now, the reason you want to do affiliate marketing over anything else is that you're not going to have to start a business from scratch. You don't even have to create your own products, deal with manufacturing, customer service, paperwork, and all of that boring stuff. With affiliate marketing, everything is so easy. Everything is done for you. All you have to do is promote someone's product or service as an affiliate, and you're going to be making money without basically doing all of the hard work yourself. And you can earn a good portion of commissions, especially using the product that we will be talking about in today's video. So let's jump into it. Step number 1, you're going to go on over to socialpilot.com, which is a social media marketing tool that actually helps businesses grow their social media accounts and manage them for only $50 a month. Now, owners can grow their business exponentially because social media can, make a business completely different, and Social Pilot is amazing and perfect for that. And they offer different pricing plans, as well as high as $127 a month for annual plans. So Social Pilot really helps manage and grow business social media platforms like your Instagram maybe, but don't worry, we're going to learn how it works and you're not going to have to pay for anything. This method is free because we are going to be joining as an affiliate. So once you're on Social Pilot, you're just going to scroll to the most bottom part of the page. You're going to click on affiliate program underneath the company section, and that is going to take you to the affiliate section where you're going to be able to see that you're going to be earning 30% recurring commissions for every single Social Pilot sale that you're able to generate with your affiliate link, which means that if they are paying maybe $100 a month and you're going to be earning 30% of that $100 a month, then you're going to be making $30 a month from one person only. And although that doesn't seem like a lot, imagine referring over 100 people. That's going to be over $3,000 every single month, completely passive without doing any of the hard work yourself. And so once you refer people, over to socialpilot.com, you don't have to do any of the work after that. You're just going to keep making recurring monthly commissions, which is absolutely insane and which is absolutely amazing. You only have to do the work once, and then you can just collect the rewards for the next couple of months and even years, since owners are going to grow their business with socialpilot.com. If you guys want to know how you can make even more money online, then make sure that you check out our description box down below, because we have a bunch of surprises there for you guys. So if you guys want to earn even more money daily, check out the description box down below. And I want you to comment down below what country you reside in and what your favorite or preferred payment method is, so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. So let's keep going then. Again, you just have to set it up once, and then all you have to do is collect the rewards for the next couple of years, since owners do want to grow their business for, in the long term. And they're going to see a return on investment, and they're going to keep on using this tool. And as long as they use Social Pilot with your link, you're going to keep on making money. And you can see that you have a minimum of $50, balance inside of your account in order to cash out, which means that you're just going to make one sale in order to be able to cash out. So it's free. You can create a free account as an affiliate. So you're going to click on Get Started over here. And then you want to create an account as a Social Pilot affiliate. So what you're going to do is go onto this section, enter in all of the information being asked of you, your first name, last name, address, password, accept the terms and conditions, sign up to have an account. And as soon as you log in, you're going to be able to see the dashboard where you're going to be able to track your referrals, your clicks, customers, and you're going to see your earnings. And obviously it's going to say $0 because you're just starting, but that's going to change soon when you're able to cash out. And if you want to cash out, you can just set your payment preferences and you're going to get paid directly into your PayPal account. If you scroll down to more, you're going to see your affiliate link. For me, it's this one over here. You have different links, but I am going to go with this one and copy it. When you're able to do this, you're going to start making money. And the next step is to go on over to this tool called WriteSonic. And this is basically the website. And what this website does is that it's a perfect tool for those who need help with their affiliate marketing strategy. This is an AI tool which does all sorts of different things, but the one that we're going to focus on is the article generator that they actually have on WriteSonic. So you want to click on Start Writing for Free, create an account, and then just sign in. As soon as you log in, you're going to be able to see a ton of different features that WriteSonic is offering. But most importantly, you're going to want to focus on AI Article Writer 2.0, which is the best quality bot that they have available on this website. So you're going to click on that, and there you're going to be able to enter the topic of the article. And in this case, the article has to be about how to grow Instagram account or social media just in general. So you're going to type that in, and then something like 5 tips to grow your social media, generate new ideas. Then it's going to show me 5 different ideas. You're going to see that I'm going to go with the 5 tips to help your social media, and then the title of the video. Then you're going to click on generate intros, generate a few different outlines, and go with the one that you think is the best one. And then you can also just change the outline if you want. So maybe instead of engage, you're going to go with the right tools, blah, 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 blah. You can just follow exactly what we're writing down. Pause this video, follow through, because I feel like this is going to be the best advice that I can give you. Now, before we get to the end of this video, if you're having fun with today's video, make sure that you like this video and subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. Now, I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to include your affiliate link with a call to action inside of that article, so you can actually make money. So I'm going to go scroll down and find the right tools section. And now I'm just going to customize this properly. I can remove all of this, say use Social Pilot to grow your social media accounts on complete autopilot or something like that. And you can just use what Social Pilot has on their website and make sure to actually include your affiliate link inside of the article. I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So first, you're going to download this article. Then you're going to go on over to steammeet.com, where people are sharing different articles for completely free. It has over 5.5 million visits every single month, and you can actually make use of all the traffic to be able to get views for your article that has your affiliate link on it. And I also want to show you that you're not only going to be getting free traffic, but you're also going to get paid depending on how many views your article gets. For example, this person has made over $200. Now, it's not a lot, but it's extra side income. So you're just going to sign up to this website. You're going to create a free account, and you're going to share your article and make it as appealing as possible to the people that want to view the article, so that they end up clicking on your link. Now, it's absolutely amazing, okay? Using this technique, you don't need to pay for ads or anything like that. People think that you have to actually invest money into this, or Facebook ads, or ads in general, to do affiliate marketing, but no. So many free sources that, give you free traffic out there just waiting for you to actually use it. And the more interested people are in your posts, because Your affiliate link is actually amazing. And voila, that is basically everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We've finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.